Okay, we're at the Telford Hotel in White Springs. This has been shut down for many, many years. This is the only remaining hotel from the boomtown era. There were 14 others, and they've all burnt down since then. This is the only one that didn't burn down, and I guess a good guess as to why it hadn't burned down is it's made out of brick and riverstone, which makes it pretty impervious to flame. So my understanding is that it's been purchased, it is now owned, but it's either completely abandoned or the owner's son lives here, depending on who you ask, and who claims to know. But it sure looks pretty much abandoned to me, but it's going to be my understanding again is that it's going to be refurbished and reopened as something. We don't know what though. This is the Telford Hotel and Dinner Theater. This must have been quite the place back in the day. We're not very far across the Georgia border, so a lot of people would have. This is old school North Florida class. We're not going to go in, we're not going to go around the back or anything like that. Just trying to get an idea of. Well, that's not a cemetery back there, is it? I might have to go back in there. No, I guess not. That'd be cool to see. So, anyway, that's pretty much it from what we can see outside.